Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I appreciate you tuning in and taking the time to join us. I hope each and every one of you is having a fantastic day so far. My goal for today's video is to provide you with valuable information about the incredible benefits of SaaS products that you can immediately apply to your business. Whether you're seeking guidance, inspiration, or practical tips, I'm confident you'll find this video both helpful and useful. So, without any further delay, let's dive right into today's content. Unleash the hidden potential of SaaS products. Get ready for a game-changing journey that will supercharge your brand and propel you to new heights of success. Brace yourself for the ultimate blend of excitement and information as we reveal the amazing benefits that await you. Blast off into brand domination. Step into the spotlight. Imagine your brand standing tall, stealing the limelight, and commanding attention. With SaaS products, you can effortlessly bring your own unique brand identity to life, surpassing the competition and captivating your customers like never before. Say goodbye to generic and embrace the extraordinary. Boost your profit potential. Brace yourself for a jaw-dropping financial revolution. SaaS products empower you to tap into established, high-quality software solutions and customize them with your own brand name and logo. Instantly expand your product portfolio without investing precious time and resources in development. It's a win-win for your brand and your bottom line. Ignite customer loyalty. Who doesn't love a personalized touch? SaaS products allow you to provide tailor-made experiences that resonate with your target audience. Create a seamless connection with your customers by offering software solutions that seamlessly align with their needs and desires. Watch their loyalty ignite like wildfire and fuel your long-term success. Fast-track your time to market. In today's fast-paced world, speed is everything. Say goodbye to long development cycles and hello to SaaS products. By harnessing the power of pre-existing software solutions, you can catapult your brand into the market swiftly and confidently. Stay ahead of trends, outmaneuver the competition, and leave them in your dust. Infinite possibilities, endless innovation. Break free from the constraints of conventional software development. With SaaS products, you have a world of possibilities at your fingertips. From productivity tools to customer relationship management, there's no limit to the industries you can conquer. Embrace the thrill of constant innovation and ride the wave of success. Unlock your true potential. SaaS products unleash the full force of your brand's potential. Let your creativity run wild as you leverage exceptional software solutions that bear your name. Build a reputation for excellence, establish your brand as a market leader, and bask in the glory of your well-deserved success. The time is now. Ready to revolutionize your business? Take the leap and embrace the extraordinary benefits of SaaS products. Leave your mark on the world with a brand that stands out, captivates customers, and drives growth. Don't settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary. Experience the power of SaaS products today and witness your brand's transformation. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, please consider leaving a comment below to share your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable information. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. And if you think this video would be beneficial to others, please share it with your friends and family. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more.